Hi guys, it's your girl Lola, and today we're going to do a reroute on this Barbie doll. I've been had this Barbie doll for a while. I like her hair, but I wanted to give her more of a exotic look, so I'm going to use some human hair, and I'm just going to cut it and going to use a rerouter to put it in the scalp of the doll hair. So I'm going to cut the doll hair, pluck all the hair out, and just reroute the strand by strand. So it's going to take a while. So I'm just going to give y'all a rough draft of how I did it. So I'm just going to show y'all, not really step by step, but just me, showing. I'm going to show each stage of the steps that I take to create the look. And I should be back with the finishing results. Bye. Okay, all done. Oh my gosh. For the people that, oh my gosh, did you rerouting on a professional level? More power to y'all. This was the hardest doll DIY ever done. I mean, it took me like all night to reroute her hair and to get it to be, stable, secure, I mean. And it was a lot. I darkened her eyes with the gel pens. I changed her outfit. I gave her a handbag and put some different heels on her. She's a plus size Barbie doll. So I like how her look came. And this hair is human, so I can straighten it, dye it. And it was well worth it, but I can't keep doing rerouting. That took a lot of time, a lot of patience. But let me know in the comments down below if you like this rerouting and whatever videos would you like to see me do on dolls, on Barbie dolls. Okay, it's your girl Lola loves you. Bye.